Counter programming. In 8051, we have already discussed that the devices can act as timers or counters. So, the timers can also be used as counters counting the events happening outside 8051. So, there are some events or some uh, or some situation that can generate the pulses which can be counted by the counters. When it is used as a counter, it is a pulse outside 8051 that increments the TH and TL registers. So how to know that a thing is being counted? There should be some pulse so that the count increases in TH and TL registers. The function of TMOD, TH and TL registers are same as in that of the timers in the previous videos. The programming the timer in last section also applies to programming it as counter except the source of frequency. Now we use timers like after a certain delay it will be increased. But for counters it is like there should be some event or there should be something that should send that should send a pulse and then it will count the pulse number of pulses, that is the number of events. So both are same except the source of the frequency. The C or T bar bit in the T mode register will tell that the device is being used as a timer or as a counter. If it is 1, the bit is 1, then it is used as a counter and it gets its pulses from outside. Through which pins? The T0 gets its pulses, input pulses from the pin port 3 fourth pin P3.4, and for T1 it is P3.5. So these two are the external inputs for timer 0 and timer 1 or counter 0 and counter 1. Counter programming, like in timer we have four modes: mode 0, 1, 2, 3. Here we have for counters mode 1 and mode 2. So the input pin, the signal from the input pin is fed, and also the TR0 or TR1 bit of the TCON to start and stop the counter. TR0 is equal to 0 to stop and TR1 equal to 1 to start the counter. And then the register, this is a 16-bit registers because TH and TL both are 8 bits. It will increase from 00 to 0000 to FFFF, and after that if it overflows, that is more than 65,535 items are there, then it will roll to 00. Then again mode 2, in mode 2 it is auto reloaded. Again the whatever value is given to TL, sorry TH, it will be copied to TL and it will count until it overload or until it overflows, and then again from the TH register we will get the values to TL. And since this is 8-bit, both this is 8-bit, this is 8-bit, therefore it can count at max up to 256 times or 255 items.